Welcome everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes. God bless you and thanks for your support all this while. I decided to do this video, one, to show you the person behind the production videos that you have been seeing, and again to have time to interact very well with you. Alright, this is my shop and I have been showing you my products. I've been posting my products. We did bleach, we did Izal, Dettol, liquid soap, shampoo, conditioner, we did tie cleaner, different products. So today I want to give you a secret how to remove dark spots and also give you a pink lips. So it's a secret that I just discovered and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's dive straight into the video. This is one secret that will help everyone, and I've decided to help my followers for your support. This is free. You have been buying it but you don't know how effective and potent it is. Alright, so this is Carotone. Look at it. You know it. It's Carotone. Now, many people know this Carotone as face cream. Just use it for your face. But this Carotone is very strong. It can help you to remove, sunburn. So I've been using this Carotone to clear this sunburn. Look at it. It was worse than this. And when I started seeing the result, I decided to let you know about it. And again, you can use this product also, to brighten your lips and have, pink lips. Okay, so how do you apply it? Last thing before you go to bed, you just rub it after washing your face. So you rub it, especially on the dark areas. Just rub it this way. Rub it generously. I want to be careful to put it only on the areas where I need it. So just rub it like this. Rub it like this way. Then on your lips, do it like this. Do it like this. And then you leave it to dry. Now when it's dry, just pick a dry cloth and clean it. Do that like 3 times a day and do it for 1 week. And come back and click under this video and share your testimony. Thank you. God bless you. Please, are you new to this channel? Is this your first time of seeing my videos? God bless you. Kindly subscribe, like this video and share to your friends. Bye bye. Thank you. I've cleaned the face now and it looks brighter. So I'm going to continue with this for 1 week at least.